In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix it if your Xbox Series X or S just keeps randomly turning off. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, one of the most common causes is actually overheating, so just make sure that your console's in a well-ventilated area with plenty of space around it. If it ever feels hot, turn it off, let it cool down for about an hour before turning it back on. But if overheating isn't the issue for you, the next thing you're going to try is a power cycle. So just turn your Xbox off completely and then unplug the power cable from the back. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds, plug it back in, and then turn your console back on. If the problem still continues, go ahead and go into your settings. And what you need to do is go over from the general tab to this power options section right here. Open that up and then go ahead and make sure that it is set to sleep right here, and then go and select customize power options. Now in this section, you need to make sure that auto shut off is not set to anything specific. You want to make sure that it's set to do not turn off automatically to make sure it's not shutting down due to inactivity. Another possible fix though is resetting your console, and you can do this back in your settings in the main page. Instead of being in general, you need to go to system this time and then go ahead and go to console info. Open it up, select reset console just like so. From here, you could choose the option that lets you keep your games and apps. If that doesn't work, you could try a full reset. Just keep in mind it's going to remove everything from your console. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.